subscribe.
Anderson Academy has lots of fun for you.
Woohoo!
So come on adventures and we'll teach you something new. Come along now.
Hello friends, my name is James and today we're going to learn how to make waffles. First we need butter. Here's our butter. Okay, we need this for our butter. Mama, can you help me open this?
Yes, I can help you open it, James. Just peel it back.
Like that? Thanks, Ma.
You're welcome.
So what do I have to do next?
What do you have to do next?
You have to put it in here.
Okay, and what are you going to do?
Put it in the microwave
Why are you putting it in the microwave?
so it can melt.
So it can melt. Okay, go ahead.
So I open it and put it in there. Then close it. Do I just have to press start?
Yeah, you can just press start.
Now we're going to add some 2 cups flour. Okay. So do I need 1? Here's 1. And 2. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 cups sugar. Here's our sugar. X is for sugar.
Yes, that's for sure.
Okay. So we need 3.
3.
Okay. So do I need this one?
What does it say?
1/4 of a cup.
1/4 of a cup. Okay.
So I need this one. Can you help me?
Yes.
It's kind of hard to dig in there.
That's okay. I'll help you. How many do you need?
We need 3.
Okay.
So, thanks, Ma.
I can count them.
1 and 2. Three.
Okay.
There. Now next we need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Here's the baking powder. Okay. So we need this one, right? Okay. Okay, so 1, 2. Is that all that we need?
Read your ingredients. What does it say?
It said 3. It said 3. Okay. 1. So I put 1, 2, and then 3. Got it. Nutmeg. Where's our nutmeg? Can you hand me our nutmeg?
It's right there in front of you.
Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay. So we needed 1.5. So is it this one now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So do we only need one?
Yeah, just says 1/2. If you had 2 halves, it would be what?
2.5.
If you put 1/2 and 1/2, what is it together?
2.
No, it's a whole.
Half.
Yeah, no, not a whole half. It's a whole. So when you have a whole of something, if you cut it in half, you have 1/2 and 1/2. You have 2 halves and a whole. So you just need 1/2.
Right there. So we only need one.
1/2, yes.
Okay. Looks like we're all done with our dry ingredients.
I think you got one more dry ingredient.
Is it 6? 1.5 teaspoon cup sugar. It's sugar. Okay.
Is it sugar? What is that?
I'm on level 6. Right?
Okay, yeah. Well, what's in your hand?
Sugar.
What is that?
Oh, salmon.
Okay.
Salmon.
Okay, so now what are you gonna do? You're gonna.
I'm gonna open the cinnamon. Okay. What do I need for the cinnamon?
What one do you need?
Okay. I think I need this one because it matches this. Okay. Got it opened. Now I'm gonna get the cinnamon. Maybe if I turn it around. Got it. Okay, so we need 1.5.
1/2.
So I only need 1, right?
Yes.
Can you help me, please?
Yes. I can help you.
Thanks. Thanks for helping me, Ma.
Thank you for using your hands.
Really? Thanks. Thanks, Mama. There. Okay. So we got all of our dry ingredients in. Now it's time for our wet ingredients. We're gonna separate 2 eggs. Can you help me separate the eggs?
Yes, I can.
Thanks for helping me. I'll get the eggs for you. So we only need our egg white in there.
I'm gonna put the egg whites in this one, okay?
And then we're gonna put the egg,
The yolks.
the yolks in there. Can I crack it for you? There. Okay. Look at that. Egg yolk and egg whites. We got a little bit of. Then what is that white stuff?
Just called the membrane of an egg.
So next we need Okay, now we need to whisk egg. So we have to whisk the egg. Do we need this one?
You can use that one, sure. The whisk dance.
Okay, friends. First, we're gonna get our butter out of the microwave. Hot at the bottom here, though.
Yes, so,
Now we're gonna add 1.5 cups of milk. Okay, we have to wait until it gets all the way to the top. Okay, now I'm done with the mug. Okay, what do we need next? Our last ingredient, our next ingredient, we already did that one. So it's number 10 now. We need vanilla. We got vanilla. Okay, what do I put the vanilla in?
What do you need? How much do you need?
I think maybe we need 2. What is that? Can you get me this one? Papi. Now, do we need this one?
Which one do you need? Look at it.
So we need 2. 2. We got 2. We need 2. So is it this one? I think it's this one. Okay. This time I'll be very careful.
Pour it over the bowl, remember?
Two, one, two. That time I be very careful so I won't spill it. Okay, that's all of our wet ingredients. So now we have to put this in here. Okay, now we're gonna mix up our wet ingredients.
You do that just with a sprayer, right?
No, we can't get it right now. We just got the way white out and start mixing it.
Oh, that's not all the white because you got 30 minutes. So have that one.
Is that enough mixing?
Mixing? You gotta say it with mixing.
Now I'm going to pour our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients.
Alright.
Okay, now I'm going to
There's
mix.
your peak.
Thanks. Okay, now I got to mix it up. Thanks for the egg whites.
You're welcome.
Can you help me mix this up, Mama?
Sure can.
Do we need a whisk or this or a spoon?
We can use this spoon because we're just gonna gently do this.
We didn't got our spatula this time.
I know. That's okay. This is the spoon works.
How will the spoon work with that? Would it?
Well, we'll just, we can use the spoon to do that. Or, I mean, we can get a spatula, but we can use the spoon to do that too.
Can we get a spatula?
You want to get the spatula? Well, you can see if you can find it.
We have this.
Maybe it's in the dishwasher.
Dad, have you seen the? I need a spatula. Oh, Mama, it was in the dishwasher like you said. It's kind of wet. Okay. I'll bring the egg whites now. Okay, so how do we fold it again? Like this?
Yeah, that's it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Remember, you can pick the bowl up.
Can you help me?
Yes.
Whoa. Can you hold the bowl for me? Okay. It's sliding down. Thanks for helping me with the waffles, Mom.
You're welcome, Jenny.
I didn't know that's how we make waffles. I think that's all of the egg white. Thanks. Okay, we have to do it. Do I have to whisk it?
You have to. What do you do? What do you do? What's the instruction? What does it say?
You have to whisk it.
No, read the instruction. Read number 12. What does it say?
Number 12 says F. It has an F in it.
Okay.
What does it say?
Fold.
Fold. Okay, where I can put the here. Fold.
Go ahead, read it.
Okay. Fold and egg whites.
Okay.
You have to fold the egg whites. Okay. Like this. Welcome back, friends. Now we're gonna cook our waffles. Daddy, can you help me plug it up?
Sure.
I remember how to do the spray.
Okay.
Okay, friends, now we're gonna pump the oil so the waffles won't stick.
Okay.
Yay! Oh, yay!
Wrong. What's wrong? Come here. What's wrong with the baby? Yeah, that baby didn't say it.
I made a big waffle and a little waffle.
A big one and a little one. Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna let it down so I can cook.
W. Waffles start with W. W.
Start. What waffle is for waffle? W. Waffle. W. Waffle. W. Waffle. W. Waffle. W. Waffle. Open the waffle maker. Yeah. Oh.
That's all right. We'll get it.
They are so big.
They are so big.
Oh, look at that.
Now they're more square.
More square.
Maybe the big waffle. Okay, friends, now I'm going to see how these waffles taste like. Can I have a plate, please?
Sure, here.
Thank you.
Fork.
Thanks for my fork, Daddy. Okay. Here's my waffle. Okay, now I'm gonna pour some syrup on my waffle. Now I'm gonna see how these waffles taste, friends. These are some good waffles. Bye, friends. See you next time on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.